What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to do something Halloween themed. It's been a couple years since I've done anything Halloween themed. The last time I did, this is a cauldron bath bomb, but you can do anything you want. So really simple skulls to mold, different skulls. Feel like miniature little skulls. But I decided to stick with the little potion bottles because I think they're so cute. So that's what I'm gonna show you how to make today. Don't you think they're so cute? They also make great Halloween gifts and they are gorgeous in the water. As always, check out the description for helpful information like the recipe, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. Here I'm adding color powder. For that tutorial, click the information icon. Make as many batches as you want for different colors. I made 4 altogether. I recommend adding 1 teaspoon of powder surfactant, like SLSA, to the exterior mix to slow it down and make it less vigorous. Add 2 milliliters of water or liquid colorant. For the liquid colorant tutorial, click the information icon. Whisk the wet ingredients in until they are evenly distributed. Thoroughly mix, knead, and rub the mixture with your hands so the ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. The mixture should hold together when squeezed. This is the potion bottle mold. It will be linked in the description along with a discount code. Add the exterior mix and hollow it out to make sort of like a shell. Then add the interior colorful mix, filling it to the top. Lightly pack it, then add more loose mix on top. Repeat for the other side. Smush the 2 molds together tightly until the molds touch all the way around. Make sure the top and bottom holes are fully packed. Then flatten the surface. Tap each side with a spoon until the bath bomb is released. Dry them for 24 hours. If you don't have a mold or you don't want to use one, you can always pack a mini bucket instead. These are very user-friendly, no matter how new you are to bath bomb making, and they also make really cute Halloween gifts. Add alcohol and mica to a small cup and mix it. Now paint the bath bomb. Pro tip: you only get better as you practice painting, so always start with the ugliest bath bomb first. Let it dry completely, about 20 minutes before touching it. Once the sides are dry, paint the top and bottom. The bath bombs start off kinda slow, but the longer they sit in water, the more vigorous they become. Before long, they're shooting out colorful foam everywhere. You can definitely use the mini buckets in regular bath water, but they're also really fun like this. Kids really love these, especially when they get to be involved in an experiment setting like this. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for joining me, and happy Halloween. For more awesome tutorials just like this and to show my channel some love, subscribe now. Just click my face. It's right there in the middle.